In this video, you'll learn how to generate AI images using Higgsfield AI. By following these steps, you will successfully create unique images tailored to your specifications. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface featuring options for both video and image generation. Next, locate the button labeled Upload a Image on the screen. This button is essential for beginning the image generation process. When you click on it, a file selection dialog will appear, allowing you to choose an image from your device. After that, select the image you wish to upload. It is important to check the file size before proceeding, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Once you have selected the image, click on the Open button to confirm your choice. Now, you will need to type in a prompt that describes the image you want to generate. This prompt will guide the AI in creating the desired output. Ensure that your prompt is clear and detailed to achieve the best results. Following the prompt entry, look for the option labeled Dream 4.5 quote and click on it. This selection activates the specific AI model you will be using for image generation. You should see a confirmation or acknowledgement of your selection on the interface. At this point, choose the quality setting for your image. You can select either 2K or 4K quality, depending on your preference and storage availability. Higher quality images will require more storage and may take longer to generate. Next, adjust the aspect ratio for your image by clicking on the option labeled Aspect Ratio to 1:1. This setting is important for ensuring your image fits the desired dimensions, particularly if you have specific display or printing requirements. After setting the aspect ratio, find and click on Batch Size. This option allows you to select how many images you want to generate at once. Be mindful of your available storage, as generating multiple images will require more space. Once all settings are configured, locate the button that says Generate and click on it. This action will initiate the image creation process. Depending on the complexity of your prompt and the selected quality, this may take a few moments. When the images are generated, you will see a preview. Click on Image to view the generated results in detail. This step allows you to confirm that the output matches your expectations based on the prompt you provided. Next, click on Information to access details about the generated image. This section may provide insights into the generation process and the AI model used. Now, select Model to view the specific AI model parameters that influenced your image generation. Understanding this can help you refine future prompts for better results. Continue by clicking on Images to see all generated images. This area displays all outputs from your recent generation, allowing you to compare different results. After reviewing, click on Quality to check the settings applied during image generation. This helps ensure that your preferences were correctly implemented. Next, click on See All to explore additional images or variations that may have been generated. This feature can provide further inspiration or options for your projects. If you wish to create animated versions of your images, click on Animate. This option allows for additional creative possibilities beyond static images. Finally, to download your generated images, locate and click on Download. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take a moment, especially for higher quality files. Ensure you have enough storage space on your device before initiating the download. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.